Hey, the Jamaican cooking journey family. Pleasant Good Friday to you. From my Jamaican home, from my Jamaican family, to wherever you are viewing this little video. It is a blessing, it's an honor, and also a great privilege for me to be coming to you this morning. Our lives have been spared, and so we want to give thanks. Today is the day that we celebrate, we celebrate the death, moving into the resurrection of Christ. For those who are, I say, it's a time of a little sadness there too, and eating. And I don't know where this old bun and cheese culture come from, but we celebrate it, so let's not dwell on it. And I just want to say, as you go along in this Easter period, eating your buns, having a happy time, even though you can't go about as you would love to. In Jamaica we are under lockdown because of our pandemic rate going up, so other people are out and about. Today is a public holiday here. Some places it may be over the world, other places it may not be. But as you go along, I just want to say to you, remember those that are not in such high spirits, like those of us who have not lost loved ones. Try to reflect a little on those of us who have lost loved ones, children. It's never easy putting away your children. People always think that children will put away parents, but it has become so popular now. But we just want to say our condolences goes out to those who have already buried their loved ones, those who have them right on hand now to be buried, those who had them this time last year and they are not here this time. Try also to love as if it's the last time. If it's your last day, love like you're not going, it's gonna be, you're just leaving now. Try to love. You will never know what tomorrow, the next day, the next week will bring. Okay? I also want to say, just to send out a special prayer, a special part of me to those parents, moms who have lost their kids. There is this emptiness inside that I know no words, no music, no movies, no nothing can fill. But it's just the grace of God, the love of God. And as time goes by, it's not going to be filled easily either. As time goes by, that space, it's going to take time to heal. And I can't leave out this part because it has happened on our family, with our YouTube family here. It has happened so often since this pandemic started reigning. It has come home to me so much. And I cannot leave without saying something about that. Loved ones, children, that so many of you that are so close, we talk so often, we talk so close, we're as if we're sisters, that you have lost your loved ones, children, moms, dads, and all of that. I cannot go without saying there is an emptiness, and I know it. Nothing can fill it. But as time goes on, our God, yes, the one that was slain upon the cross, which today is an anniversary of it, He is the only one that can automatically, as time goes by, that will ever fill that emptiness. So I just want you to be strong, to reflect on His love today. Reflect on it, and as time goes by, that emptiness, it will be filled. Just take it easy, just take it slow. And as I said before, to those of you who are celebrating with lots of fish and bun and cheese, just try to take a little time and to say, wow, wow. My heart goes out to those people. If you know them, send them a kind word today. Say something kind to them. And I know maybe today some of you have locked, or probably don't want to lock yourself away. But if that's the way you want to find your peace from not having that loved one there at the Easter table, then God will see you through. I also want to say a big thank you. I feel so loved. I felt so appreciative. There is a whole string of ladies that have sent me buns that they say in their text, have inspired them to do. Some have done it for the very first time. The ladies have been so proud of themselves. They took it on to send me pictures. I just want to say, from the Jamaican Cooking Journey family, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family kitchen and to your family table, wherever you are, happy Easter, blessed Easter. Eat your buns with love, just as you bake them with love. So what I'll do, I'll make a compilation of all of them and I'll post them up on my Instagram page. You go check it out, and the link to my Instagram will be in the description of this video. That was so I felt so good when they said, Debbie, you have inspired me. I have baked my bun for the very first time. I will not be buying any more store-bought buns. I felt so proud. So it also tells me that people are gaining. It's not just a regular cooking channel. The Jamaican Cooking Journey is not just a regular cooking channel. It is something that people are treasuring. People are having memories, family memories, to bake your very own Easter bun for the very first time, and it comes out a success. Cutting it at the table with your family, that's a milestone in your family. And I, Debbie, from the Jamaican Cooking Journey, have inspired you all to do that. I just want to say thank you. I feel proud. You do enjoy yourselves with your family. And as I said before, just continue to let the love flow. Take it easy, take it slow. Remember to say a prayer for those that are reading. Remember to reach out to somebody. Whilst you eat, they may not be able to eat. They don't care to eat. You know, let this be a peaceful. It doesn't matter whether we are on lockdown. We can go about, and don't forget the reason for the season. Also, very important, don't forget to keep safe, sanitize, wear your mask. I also say sterilize and all of that. So I just want to, I know a lot of you have been looking out for me, but I'm coming, man. I'm coming after this video. I was just taking it slow. I had so much things to deal with. So I just want to say, have a peaceful, blessed, and make it a very holy Easter with you and your family.